Degiro versus Trading212, which is best investing app for you to use in 2021. Hi guys, today we are comparing Trading212 to Degiro, and we will figure out that which one of these is the best investing app for you to use in 2021. So let's get started. First, Trading212 and Degiro both are amazing trading apps that you can actually use. The sign up process and account opening process for both of these websites is completely easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your Google account, or you have to provide your email address and information, and then of course, so you simply provide your email and then you set up a password. So on Trading212, when I try to open an account now, like in September 2021, it's actually saying that we have to wait in a waiting list to open an account because there's so many people doing that. So that's happening right now. Like if you will open an account right now, you'll have to wait, but of course it's pretty easy, and we can wait for a while if you want to create a account on Trading212. On the other hand, Degiro actually allows you to create an account as well. Both of these software are completely easy to use. If I just take you to this comparison right here, then you will see that both of these platforms, they do not have any commission fee. So that's pretty amazing. You can see right here, commission free investing for everyone. Neither do Trading212 has any commission fee, and nor does Degiro. So that's pretty amazing. And then you can see that regulated by multiple top tier authorities. Both of these apps have the top tier authorities, and then this quick easy account opening, of course, and then easy to use web and mobile platforms and great trading platforms. That's a check for both of them. Now let's come to the comparison, like what are the pros and cons in these two. So if you can see, if we talk about the cons in both of them, the features they both lack. What happens is that there is no credit card or deposit. If you want to deposit through your credit or debit card, you cannot do that. There are limited research tools, and then there is high forex fee. Now that's a problem. And then missing phone and live chat support in both of these. So yeah, that are the cons that are related in both of them. Okay, so let's go to Degiro now, and let me show you around. That you can see right here, there are many features that you can actually avail on Degiro. It's secured, and it is one of the investment platform that has that is developing with time. That's pretty actually amazing about Degiro, and it's becoming famous day by day. So that's actually a good thing. And then if we go to Trading212, you can see right here the website. Actually, I think this point actually will go to Trading212. They have a pretty good website. So you can actually buy stocks instantly, yes, of course, and then invest as little as €1 or £1. You can actually that's pretty amazing. No limited fee, because most of the platforms will ask you to deposit up to like $100 or £100 or €100, but you can just invest to $1 or €1 on Trading212. Let me take you to their fees, and let's go to Trading212 fees. So you can see right here, US stock fee, and if this fee level is low, the fee terms will be commission free. There will be no fee. But if the fee level is high, the fees are built into the spread. 1.4 PLPs is the average spread cost during peak trading hours. Now it depends on the trading hours, that what's happening on the marketplace and how the stocks are increasing and decreasing. So according to that, your fees will increase and decrease. And then US tech fund fee, the fee level is not given, but it's not available. And then inactivity fee, it's not no activity fee at all. So that's pretty amazing. This was about Trading212. If we go to Degiro right here, you will see that US stock fee, when the fee level is low. The fee terms are $0.004 per share plus zero point 0.5 euro. So that's actually pretty good, like you will be, the fee level is low and you're like $0.04 per share. That's pretty amazing. Then if it's average, you can see 0.1% plus 7.5 euro and 0.2% annual administration fee. Again, no inactivity fee right here. So this is a fee chart for Degiro. I have compared it, both of them, for you. So they're like pretty good. I told you both of these investment or trading softwares, they are actually pretty amazing, and both of them have mobile app as well, so that's pretty amazing. When it comes to customer service, Degiro actually has good customer service as compared to Trading212. Why I'm saying this, because I have seen people saying that when it comes to, when you need help, Degiro actually has a good customer service, and but when it comes to Trading212, they have a lot of, audience. That's, there is no doubt, but the customer service is not there. It's okay-ish, like not that great. And then if I show you right here, that if I take you CFD of Trading212, so you can see right here the active trading with leverage. So what happens is stocks, forex, indices, and more, of course. So the overview of Trading212 is that it's actually pretty easy to use as well. It's beginners friendly. Both of these websites are actually very beginner friendly, and the Trading212 actually focuses on the app a lot. So that's actually pretty amazing, because most of the people now use mobile apps. So that's actually very good. So you can see right here, if we talk about stocks, trade long and short thousands of stock like Tesla, GameStop, and AMC. When it comes to indices, trade the world's top indices like S&P 500, Dow Jones, and FTSE 100. That's cool. Then commodities, precious metals, oils, and niche agriculture products like lumber and cattle. And when it comes to forex, more than 180 pairs available around the clock. So when it comes to trade on all the major markets, you can see all of these markets and all of these ETFs are available on Trading212, and that's what we want, right? So in this regard, Trading212 is pretty amazing. And then you can see that they have transparent trading terms, which says zero commission, negative balance protection, and no hidden fee. So that's also amazing. Again, FCA regulated. Trading212 is authorized and regulated by FCA. Fund are protected, and your data is also protected. So amazing. Again, 24/7 support is also available. If we go to Degiro right here, and let me take you to the platform. If we go to trading platform, you will see that Degiro is also very beginners friendly. Like Degiro is, I would say, a little complicated than Trading212. I don't know why I found it that way, but it is. Like there are a lot of things happening. So as we say, if we compare Trading212 and Degiro in this matter, that which one of these is easier to use, then I would say that Degiro is a little complicated than Trading212, in my opinion, but there is no like reason into that actually. But yeah, that's about it. And then if we go to platform, then investing. So overall, both of these platforms are pretty amazing. I should have actually wanted to show you how Degiro actually looks, but I told you, they said that I have to wait to open an account. So yeah, that's actually a drawback that I didn't like, because when we are, we want to trade and we're looking for a software that is, quick. So that was actually not a good thing about Degiro. So yeah, I think this brings us to the end of the video. And yeah, Degiro is an awesome investing app and platform. If you are looking for a trading investing app, Degiro is awesome. Go check it out. And similarly, Trading212 is also amazing. Both of these apps have their pros and cons, but they are amazing, and you can actually use any of these and start investing right now. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.